Duit YouTube, conas tátu. As it turns out, I'm off work today. Woohoo! So it means I get to go into town probably later, which I really should do, and go in and sort out things for my birthday plans and get myself a few presents and things like that, because I have no Christmas shopping done. But it's still November. For 2 more days it is still Movember. 2 more days! Yes! 2 more days. Anyway, so with that being said, yes, it is Movember. It's still Movember, and there's still plenty of time to donate. And you can also rate my mo. So this year, it's been a little bit better than last year, I think. So please, if you are going to leave me a donation, click the rate my mo thing, and I figured out how to do it the other day. When you're done highlighting the amount of mo's out of 5 you want to give me, you have to click all the mustache pictures and then click rate. Otherwise it won't let you carry the rating over. Little update on the donations. I'm up to €70 now. I've had 2 anonymous donations though. So if anyone wants to own up, you're more than welcome to. Just send me a PM or something. I'll put a link to the playlist for the previous videos in my Movember playlist. I'll put it over in that corner. And I will say Gurmila Mahagut to Jennifer, Richard, Adrian, Kelly, and the 2 anonymouses. Anonymi? What's the plural of anonymous? Someone can get back to me with that. And because of you, I've raised €70 for the Irish Cancer Society, and as a thank you, they're giving me a free ticket to a Monember Gala Ball. So that should be interesting enough. I think that's actually happening. It's either tonight or it's in December sometime. I shall find out, and I'll put it in an annotation above the top, or in a caption above the top. So because I said in my last vlog that I was compared to Dudley Moore and Harry Potter by a hairdresser who I met on a night out, I don't know who it was said it to him or in what film it was said, but someone suggested that Harry could do with running a brush through his hair, so I've done the same thing. I might get it cut today. Just it needs tidying up, and I want to get it tidied up before my birthday. Okay. So as before, there will be a link to my MoSpace down below. The annotation for my playlist will be up there, and if you go into the rest of my videos, you'll see all my other playlists. There'll be one for Movember last year. There'll be one for something else. I can't remember what it is. Oh yeah, my Gran Canaria expedition has a playlist there, and a few others. So if you want to keep looking at my vlogs, you can check them out. You can also hit the subscribe button, which, let me think, yeah, it'll be over there. Sorry, I'm looking at the webcam open, and I'm looking at the back of my camera so I know where I'm pointing. Because this camera, I can flip the image in editing, but I don't know how to do it on the camera. But anyway, that's editing. And of course, if you like any of my videos, please click the like button down below and just tell me if you like them. All in all, Movember has been pretty quiet. I'm still debating doing something to go out with a bang, and if you're following me on Facebook, I might have posted this to my YouTube Facebook page. If not, I shall announce it. If I can get somebody to abseil with me, I will abseil and shave at the same time. If I can get somebody to do it with me. Because I'll be out on Saturday with the Adventure Club, and I'll be picking up my climbing gear from one of my friends, so I'll have it with me, and I might have an hour or 2 to spare tomorrow, so I could go out and do it in Dalkey, or I could do it in a climbing centre if the weather doesn't agree with my plans. But I don't know how they would feel about me doing that. I might get shaving foam everywhere. I should try not to, of course. Anyway, those are just some plans. All in all, I want to thank you all for watching me. The last couple of Movember videos I put up have gotten a lot of views, and it's nice to know that people are paying attention and people are getting interested in something that will affect everyone at one stage or another. One will either know somebody who's affected by cancer or will be affected by ourselves, God forbid. So, thank you. Gur míle agat, agus slán go fóill, agus keep growing your mows.